first real installment of things I find in my fridge. Today we're going to be sampling alcohol. Oh no. First we have our tasty Chipotle. I can't read. I wasn't even carded for this. I think they think I'm old. Anyway, so we're gonna taste it, and I'm gonna tell you about it. All right? Delicious. Nutritious. This is what the bottle looks like, and it was 50 cents. Alcohol is so cheap. Next, we have some weird Italian one. It's really watery compared to the other one, even though the other one kind of burns. Bottoms up. Sorry about the technical difficulty. Now we have bacon. I love bacon flavored alcohol. It's so delicious. It won't come out. It's still stuck. There's bacon bits in it. So good. And now we have puke.